Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. So today is a makeup and a beauty haul video. I recently bought a lot of beauty products from local stores as well as from online shops. So I thought of sharing them with you. So let's get started. So the first product that I want to show you guys today is this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. This comes with aloe vera and vitamin E. So that is what attracted me about this product. Also I wanted to try a makeup fixer from Long. So yes, I went ahead and bought this one. So this is my first makeup fixer. The second product that I want to talk to you guys about is this Savannah blusher. This is a very light color blusher. Like I got this basically for highlighting purposes. I do not have a highlighter, so I wanted to invest in one which is reasonable yet of good quality. So I heard a lot of good reviews about this one, so I went ahead and got it for myself. Yes, this is in the shade 08. Yes. I would be listing down all the products in the description below along with their links if I find it online, and with their prices as well, because I really don't remember the prices of it right now. I can just let you know the range while I'm talking to you guys. So the exact prices you can check in the description box below. So the third product that I want to talk to you about is this L'Oreal Paris Base Magique Primer. I wanted to own a primer from a very long time. Like I was looking for a good primer in Indian market. So after going through a lot of reviews, I heard good things about this primer. So I just went ahead and got one for myself. This primer is a little bit pricey as compared to the other primers that are available in Indian market, but the quantity that it comes in, I think it makes it totally worth it. Like you just need a little bit of primer at one go, so I think it would last me really long. The next product that I went ahead with is this Colossal Kajal. This is their new version, that is the super black, 2 times blacker and 16-hour intense kajal. Again, I really heard good reviews about it. Also my previous kajal got finished, so I went ahead and got this new version for myself. Next product that I want to talk to you about is this L'Oreal True Match foundation. I own 2 to 3 foundations already, but I wanted to buy another one just for the daily purposes. Like not actually for the daily and the regular purposes, but for like when you are going out with your friends, when you have a family meetup, or you know, like small occasions where you do not want to do a very heavy coverage foundation. So for those occasions I needed a foundation, so I went ahead and bought this True Match foundation, which felt really light on my skin when I tried it. So yes, I wanted to give it a try. Also I have the True Match series blusher and the compact, and they work really great for me. Like I absolutely love those things. So I basically believe in this True Match series, so I just went ahead and bought their foundation as well. The next product that I want to talk to you about are these eyelashes. Yes, these one. These are from the company Giaour. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so you can just have a look yourself. I would be inserting the picture as well. So yes, these are the lashes that I got for myself. These comes with a glue. I am yet to try them and see how these works. It comes in a pack of 2 or 3, and I got them for like 100 something each. So like these were quite cheap, like very cheap. The next product that I want to talk to you about are these nail paints. This is the pink shade. It's written the name. Here is the name. You can check the name in the description bar below, so I don't know the name. Yes, but I got these nail paints from Flipkart. These were on discount or something like that, so I just wanted to buy this turquoise green color kind of shade, so I just went ahead and bought these two nail paints. The next product that I want to talk to you about is like my new discovery. Yeah, this is the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. This is what it looks like. So it has two openings. One is this, which is a beautiful liner, and it's a black glittery liner, and the next is this brush with golden liquid eyeshadow, like when you want to apply the golden glittery eyeshadow on the corners or in the inner 1/3 part of your eye, so this comes really handy. Applying glitters is a really like it creates a mess, not only around but on your face as well, when you have those glitter falls all over and everything. So I heard really good things about this eye art, and I would be doing a makeup tutorial with this eye art soon too, so you can just wait on my channel. The next product that I want to talk to you about is this Makeup Revolution palette. Now this is the Redemption Palette Essential Mattes 2. Now I got this palette because I have those glittery shimmery eyeshadows in my stash, but I do not have good matte eyeshadows. So this kind of had like very neutral shades of matte eyeshadows, so I just went ahead and got this eyeshadow palette. Also this has shades like when you want to create a good transition, then you need a matte brown shade or a matte color of any shade like peach or orange or something like that, depending upon the eye makeup that you are doing that day. So I just went ahead and bought this palette. It has all the matte shades and it's a beautiful palette. The next product that I want to talk to you about today is this Maybelline Superstay 14-hour lipstick. Now these are my ultimate favorite. These are so moisturizing, so highly pigmented, and they are so smooth and soft that I instantly just fell in love with their range. I probably have every shade from their range and it looks lovely. Also I would like to mention that I have really dry and chapped lips, so not every lipstick works for me. Like few lipsticks are so matte that they make my lips really dry, and few are so moisturizing, or few are so glossy that they just bleed out. So I really don't want that kind of lipsticks. So this is what worked like amazingly for me. It looks right kind of matte. It does not make my lips dry. It keeps them moisturized. It's highly pigmented. So if you are one who has dry and chapped lips and want to try on a lipstick, I would highly recommend these. I've already tried these ones. I'm restocking in my stash. The next product that I want to talk to you about today is this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now their Fit Me range is all over the place, like the foundation, the compact, the concealer. Everybody has reviews about them on their channels. Particularly this concealer have really good reviews on all the channels. Like if you watch any beauty bloggers, or if you watch any beauty YouTuber, you would know that if they have reviewed this product, they have said good things about this. So I actually wanted to give it a try and see how it works. Also I needed a concealer which would brighten my under eye area. Also this is not that pricey as well. It was for like 400 something or 500, like something like that. So yeah, it completed all the points that I wanted. Product that I want to talk to you about is this are these Maybelline lip gradation pencils. Now I got them in these shades orange one and pink two. These are the two shades that I got them in, and it just looked really attractive and cute to me, so I just went ahead and got them. Let's see how these works for my lips. And the last product that I want to talk to you about today is from Makeup Revolution, and it is such a gorgeous shade. Like, I just cannot describe you what kind of a shade. It's like a neon pink and orange and red. I don't know, some neon shade, pink, red, orange, whatever you want, you can mix it up. But it's a really pretty shade and looks lovely on my lips, and it's in the shade Beloved. Like, I really liked it. It was for around, I think, 200 something, or maybe for 100 something. I really don't remember. Maybe for 200 something, yeah. So this product from Makeup Revolution is my favorite now. Like, the shades, the pigmentation, and the moisturizing power, everything is great. Though it's not that matte as the 14 Hour Stay lipstick is. It's a little on a glossy side, or little on a shiny side, but I really like this lipstick, and it's like very pretty shade. So these are all the things that I wanted to talk to you about today. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, as well as to my blog, as well as on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat, because I keep posting short reviews on my Instagram and Facebook as well, so you can see if the things work for me and if you would like to invest in them or not. So I keep sharing mini reviews, I keep sharing mini tutorials, I keep sharing my life stuff, my lifestyle on all the social medias. So yes, make sure you follow me there, and make very sure that you subscribe to my channel, and you'll give this video a thumbs up if you like it. I hope to see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye, take care.